Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm coming in quick for a wig unboxing, unpackaging, haul, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Don't forget to comment, like, thumbs up the video. Let's get it going. I got my hands on the Xenon wig. This is a lace front wig, Swiss wig, in a number 2. I think I paid like $35 for this wig. Let's open it. This is the stock card. These are different styles that they offer. This is a Bobbi Boss. I forgot to mention that. This is a Bobbi Boss wig. I wanted the Lydia wig, but they actually did not have the color I wanted, so I just opt for this one because I really don't like a blunt cut like this. It's super soft too. It's also is a synthetic wig. It has a part at the top, and as you see, it has lace. That's the inside. Have a little small parting section. 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back, along with the label. And it also has the adjustable straps as well on both sides. It has about 5 inches of parting space in it. That's what it looked like with the lace on. It's kind of thick. I wasn't expecting it to be this thick feeling, but it's still cute. I'm gonna just put some powder on the inside of this wig. I got my MAC, what is this? Studio Fix. It's NC50. I don't know if it's gonna come off or not. And then I'm gonna cut the lace off of it. Okay, I just cut the lace off. I don't know if I did it right because this is actually my first time doing this, so I'm not sure if I did it right. If I should have left like a little bit, but I cut all the lace off of it as close to the hairline as possible. As you see, you could barely see, you know, what I did. So yeah, kind of learning with me. I don't know this stuff, but you know, I'm kind of slow to the fact, but I'm gonna be there. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit of my MAC powder on the part. They don't have to be neat or anything. Yeah. So now it looks more like scalp. As you see, like the front, you see how brown the front is? And now that I put the powder on the actual part, it looks a little bit more like, you know, brown skin, scalp. So of course you can see that, you know, the end of the cap, but that's all you have to do is use some concealer. Yeah. I didn't bring no concealer. Maybe I should go get my concealer so I could fix it. But I really like this wig. This is so cute. And then another way to fix it, other than like making baby hair, you could pull some of your natural hair out. This wig is so cute. I didn't think I was gonna like it because of how it's just such a blunt cut. I really didn't think I was gonna like this wig, but I think I like it. This is cute. Yeah, I think I like this wig. So one thing I should say that I don't really like about it, it feels poofy to me. Not as, I mean, it is sleek, nice, straight. It's not real shining, but to me it feels a little poofy, and I don't know if that's because of it's a synthetic wig. I don't know, but if the Lydia wig is as cute as this Xenon wig is, oh my God. But I love this wig. This wig look good. I must say, this wig look good. It's just getting this part right here together. Once I get that together, and I debate if I want to do some baby hair or not. And then this is what the sides look like. This is a go, y'all. This wig is a go. Let me show you the back. It's a go. This might be my favorite one. Now, y'all know I love that Fab Fringe wig. That's my shit right there. Excuse my language. But the Fab Fringe wig, I love that by Sensational, I think. Well, whoever is by Fab Fringe, you could check out my video. Yeah, the Fab Fringe wig is one of my favorite, and that is Xenon. It's gonna be my next, so you know I'm gonna have to get it in all colors. Gotta get it in all colors. This is a go! So if y'all looking for a bomb wig, that's it. And I know I'm supposed to be looking right here at the lens, and I'm all in here. I can't help it. I'm sorry. I'm so excited that I really, really, really love this wig. Okay, Bobbi Boss, you came through again. This one right here is the Lydia wig. That's the one I want. But I got that one. I like the Lydia wig because it has that little bump in it. Versus the Xenon is just a blunt cut. You know, just straight. As you see, it's just straight. And the Lydia just had a slight bump to it. Yeah. Oh my God, I gotta get it. I gotta get it. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I gotta have it. I'm so excited. I didn't think I was gonna like this wig, and it turns out that this is gonna be one of my favorites, one of my wigs that's gonna have to be a must in my collection of wigs. Yes, if you don't have it, get your hands on it. I know it's a hot seller. I know it's hard to find. Get this one or get the Lydia. You won't go wrong. And that's you can't go wrong with none of the Bobbi Boss wigs. Even back in the day when I used to wear they weave, Bobbi Boss weave, it was the shit. It was the, excuse me. It was really good. Their weave was really good. But now that they into wigs, this is my first wig by Bobbi Boss, and I like it. I like it. Shout out to Bobbi Boss if y'all want to, or Sam's Beauty. If y'all want to send me some wigs, I most definitely will do a review. So yeah, don't forget to comment, subscribe, click the thumbs up button, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.